Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Rainbow Six Siege X isn't launching or it keeps crashing on startup, don't worry, this video will walk you through every major fix that's worked for players. We'll cover both Steam and Ubisoft versions, anti-cheat issues, missing runtimes, graphics settings, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Keep your system and drivers updated. Before trying anything advanced, make sure your system is up to date. Open Settings. Select Windows Update and install any pending updates. Next, update your GPU drivers. If you use NVIDIA, go to the GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA website. For AMD, use the Radeon software. For Intel, use the Intel driver and support assistant. Once updated, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Step 2. Reinstall BattlEye anti-cheat. Now let's make sure BattlEye is working properly. On Ubisoft, go to your library. Click on the three dots under Siege X. Click Manage. Open Properties. Click Installation. Click on Open Folder. On Steam, right-click Siege X in your library. Select Manage. Click on Browse Local Files. Now in the Game folder, open the BattlEye folder. Double-click on install_BattlEye.bat. When prompted, click Yes to uninstall it. Click OK. This reinstall will often fix game startup issues tied to anti-cheat. Step 3. Install required redistributables. In the same installation folder, go to the Support folder. Open Redist. Here, you'll see several Visual C++ and DirectX runtime installers. Open VCRedist 2010, click Repair or Install. Do the same for VCRedist 2012 and VCRedist 2019. This one covers from 2015 to 2022. If DirectX is listed, you can skip it if your GPU drivers are up to date. These runtimes are required by the game, and missing one could stop it from launching. Step 4. Disable Steam Beta and Overlays. If you're using Steam, go to Steam. Open Settings. Open Interface. Under Client Beta Participation, make sure no beta is selected. Also disable any overlays. Turn off Discord Overlay, MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, and any other third-party software running in the background. Restart your PC with no extra software running, then try launching the game. Even background tools like RGB software can interfere. Step 5. Don't Alt+Tab during launch. This one's simple. Do not Alt+Tab when the game is launching. Wait until you reach the main menu before switching windows. Alt-tabbing too early can cause the game to crash instantly. Step 6. Reset game settings, graphics and config. Sometimes corrupt config files cause crashes. Here's how to reset. Open File Explorer and go to Documents. Open My Games. Open Rainbow Six Siege. Inside, open the folder with your Ubisoft or Steam ID. Find and delete the file called GameSettings.ini. The game will recreate this file with default settings next time it launches. Note, you may lose sensitivity or custom settings, so back them up if needed. Step 7. Try launching from Ubisoft instead of Steam. Even if you installed the game via Steam, you can also launch it from Ubisoft Connect. Open Ubisoft Connect. Open Library. Open Rainbow Six Siege X. Click Play from here. If it works here and not from Steam, then Steam's integration may be causing the issue. Step 8. Verify game files. Let's make sure your game files aren't corrupt. On Ubisoft Connect, find the game, click the three dots, then Verify Files. On Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, click on Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, then relaunch the game. Step 9. Force DirectX 11 or 12. You can manually launch the game using a different DirectX version. On Ubisoft Connect, click the game's Settings wheel. Select Properties. Under Launch Arguments, type -DirectX 11 to force DirectX 11 -DX12 for DirectX 12. On Steam, right-click Game, select Properties. In Launch Options, enter -DX11 or -DX12. Test each mode to see if one launches more reliably. Step 10. Clean install your GPU drivers. Optional but recommended. If none of this works, try using Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU, boot into safe mode. Use DDU to completely remove your graphics driver. Reinstall the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. This ensures no corrupted driver files are left behind. And that's it, folks. Those are the best working fixes for Rainbow Six Siege X not launching or crashing on PC. If one of these helped you, please give the video a like, drop a comment with your setup, and subscribe for more gaming fix tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck.